I had recently moved back up to Omaha from New Orleans and had completed my master's of science in counseling, and so I wanted to definitely continue with a field that was already close to my niche that I had started with. I started with kids that were in juvenile detention centers already, and so I wanted to find a program or a place that was similar to that while I finished getting my licensure hours.
It was an opportunity to get into the mental health field. When I'm working in mental health as a mental health therapist, it was a second career for me. I went back to school in my mid-30s. I got my undergrad degree in psychology. I achieved my master's degree, and when I graduated, Heartland Family Service had an opening, and I was able to fill that opening.
Do that too. I came to Heartland Family Service just looking for a large agency that really has their hands in everything in the community. I know just from what I've heard of them previously that they have several programs that really help in all different aspects. So I was hoping coming to Heartland Family Service that I would find a program that would best fit what I was looking for professionally and also to be able to improve my skills.
I came to work for Heartland Family Service because of the work that they did. I knew about the agency through my other job, and the clients that I worked with really loved coming to see the therapists here at the agency, and so it just felt like that's where I wanted to be.
Opportunity opened, and so I pursued that, and I knew someone. And the reason why I came here was that Heartland, I know, has a great reputation in the community for doing really good work with clients across the board, you know, in a multitude of programs. And so I wanted to be a part of that.
I came to Heartland because out of all the places that I looked at, this is one of the ones that I felt like would prepare me. I felt like as I was looking at different agencies, there were a lot of different agencies that offered various programs and such, but I felt like this is the one that had the most diverse. And when I got hired on, I really felt that I had a good connection with the people that hired me.
A big part of one of the benefits Heartland Family Service has is that for therapists, we provide all the clinical supervision they need to be able to get their licensure. So we're able to meet all the needs that the state has for clinical supervision and direct service hours, and support that therapist to be able to become licensed in the state that they work in.
Yeah, that was actually a big part because where I came from before, I had to pay for all of that out of pocket. So when I came here and they covered all of that and really helped me, not just with supervision fees and all of that, but with very competent supervisors, that has equipped me beyond anything I could have ever hoped for. So it's been a really, really good thing. So they take care of that, and they set things up very well.
We pay for all the continuing education that they need, as well as we reimburse for the licensure cost. So whatever it actually costs to get the license, that cost we pay to the state, the Heartland Family Service will reimburse that to the therapist to help pay for that.
Family Service does provide supervision for my license as an alcohol and drug counselor. They are also providing supervision for my independent mental health practitioner license. So when I came to Heartland Family Service, I already had my LMHP, so my license for mental health practitioner license, and also my provisional license for drug and alcohol counselor.
Definitely, that is a strength of Heartland, is that there are a lot of opportunities in the agency. If you're a therapist, you're not just in one narrow compartment. You can do evaluations, you can work in different programs, you can be a therapist in a lot of different and unique capacities, so it does give you a lot of options. And that's a frequent occurrence here, is that people stay here for a long time and they're able to move around and kind of find their niche in the agency and what programs they like to work with. It resonates to who I am as my core person. I like to help people. I like to feel like I'm making a difference in our community, and that's the reason I got into being a therapist in the first place, is to really help people. And so that whenever you have the opportunity to really express who you are through your work, I think it's much more fulfilling.
Because there's always something new. There's a huge variety of kids. There's a huge variety of their needs. Just seeing them, actually have the time to sit down and talk to somebody that asks them about their goals. A lot of our kids just have no idea what that's like. They don't have anybody that's really invested in them. and just seeing that the growth that a lot of our kids have while they're here.
Working for this agency has helped me to grow personally and professionally quite a bit. I'm really learning how I handle myself in crisis. We have a lot of crises happen at the detention centers. The youth are pretty fragile while they're there. And it gives me an opportunity to kind of get past some of those hesitations or maybe anxiety about that type of work. So I've really learned how to handle myself in those situations and remain calm even more so, which has helped me personally. And professionally, just being around so many experts in the field that have been working in this field for so long, they really provide strong supervision, so I know what services I am providing, that they are exceeding the expectations of